Hey Primary 6 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 3 of your assessment paper number 5 on circle. So let's take a look at the question. This question is actually pretty simple, but let's just take a look at it right now. It says two quadrants, each of 7 cm radius, are cut from a square wooden plank. So let's imagine this is a wooden plank. What is a wooden plank? It's a piece of wood. Okay, simple. Find the perimeter of the remaining piece. So imagine two quadrants, which is this, is cut away. So what you're left with this thing over here and this thing over here, which somewhat reminds me of Canada for some weird reason. I have no idea why. But whatever it is, okay, how do we do this? So let's draw this out. Okay, so it says that this is a wooden plank, a square wooden plank. Okay, I'm drawing a somewhat of a square wooden plank. And of course we have our cut pieces. I'm going to draw the cut pieces out in red. Okay, so we have a cut piece here, a quadrant here, and a quadrant here. Okay, of course, like I said, my drawing is really bad. When you cut this out, what are you left with? You are left with the one in red. See? Okay, you're left with this. Okay, again, like I said, my drawing is bad. So this is 7 cm, and this is also 7 cm. What else did they give us? They give us another piece of information, I think. No, that's it. Oh, they said this is 10. Sorry, this whole thing is 10. If this whole thing is 10, that means this is 7, and this is 3 cm. Very simple. Okay, now the other thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that we understand the question. It says perimeter. What most people will do is they'll just add this and this together, which is wrong. Okay, so the perimeter of the remaining piece is this in blue. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how do you find the perimeter of the quadrant first? Okay, so understand that there are two quadrants, 1 and 2 quadrants. 2 quadrants make up one semicircle. 2 quads equals to 1 semi. So we need to find the circumference of a semicircle. The circumference of a semicircle gives you what? 2 pi r is your semicircle, is your circle. Divided by 2 gives you pi r. Okay, it's gonna write this here just in case you don't know what I'm doing. 2 pi r divided by 2. Okay, pi r in this case, they take pi as 22/7. Your radius is 7. Therefore, you cancel. You have 22 cm. So the total radius, the total circumference here and here is 22 cm. What must you add? You must still add one part over here, one part over here, one part over here, one part over here, which gives you 4. Therefore, perimeter of the figure is actually going to give you the answer of 4 times 3, which is 3 is here, right? Plus 22, which gives you 12 plus 22, which gives you 34 cm. Okay, let's check again. 2 quadrants, therefore gives you 1 semicircle. 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle, therefore divided by 2 you get pi r. 22/7, you cancel, you get 22 cm, which is right, and you have to add the 4 times 3, which is 12, and hence you get 12 plus 22, 34 cm, and therefore that is correct. Alright, if you got that one right, I'm going to give you a big high five because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, so again, it's pretty simple. And like I said, why do I always say it's pretty simple? Because what you focus on expands. If you keep saying it's simple, it is simple. And remember, if you like it, if you don't like it even, you just say things like, I love math, I really like math, At first it's gonna feel like a lie, but after a while, you're gonna start believing it. Especially when you start seeing results and you just keep doing and taking action on it, okay? And with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy.